In this video, we will show you how to create a quiz on Kahoot. If you guys want to get started with Kahoot, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Kahoot website on your browser. Now click the sign up free button in the top right corner. Make sure to accept all the cookies from Kahoot. Here, select your account type such as teacher. Next, describe your workplace and then sign up with your email. You can directly sign in with Google by clicking continue with Google. Then choose your Google account and click continue to sign in. It offers a K Bronze Pass at $3.99 per month, a K Silver Pass at $7.99 per month, a K Gold Pass at $11.99 per month, and a K1 Pass at $19.99 per month for individuals. For team and school, it offers the Edu Standard School and District Plan at $14.49, and the Edu Pro School and District Plan at $23.99 per month. To access the Kahoot Creator, log into your account. Now, click the Create button on the right side of the top navigation bar. Then, select the Kahoot option from the drop-down menu to make a Kahoot. Once you've started making a Kahoot, you can navigate between questions and add new ones via the left-hand sidebar. You can create a new question from scratch, copy them from other Kahoots, import slides from a presentation, or import quiz questions from a spreadsheet. When making a Kahoot, click the Add Question button on the left side panel below the questions you already added. After that, choose the question type and type in the question. The question from the Test Knowledge section required you to provide the answer and mark the correct response. If you forget about an element of question or you exceed the character limit, an exclamation mark will appear on the left side panel once you leave the question. So that's how to create a quiz on Kahoot. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Kahoot. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.